The circuit diagram that I came up is most simplest and it works without transistor or chips. We're gonna use just 4 color LEDs and 2 resistors. If you want to build this, you will need to follow these instructions. Blue and red LED are connected in serial through 470 ohms resistor, and these LEDs will indicate voltage when are full battery, 4.2 volts. The second array is made from green and yellow LED connected in serial through 50 ohm resistor, and these LEDs will indicate battery voltage when is under 3.7 volts down to 3.3 volts. Now to explain how this works without transistor or chips. I am using voltage drop of LEDs, for example, blue and red LED connected in serial, powered by 4 volts, and because of voltage drop of red LED, the blue LED will light only when the voltage is near 3.8 volts and 4.2 volts. The same situation is with green and yellow LED. They will light on when the voltage is around 3.3 and 3.7 volts. I have made some measurements on LiPo batteries to see how you can easily test LiPo batteries with this simple voltage indicator made from 4 LEDs and 2 resistors. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.